Hello everyone. So today I am in the Joynext arena, Dresden, and here you can look that the people are doing the ice skating. It's very good atmosphere here. The music in the background and the people are enjoying. I find it very attractive because it's only in the few cities in Germany that this ice skating is available, and the people use it as a hobby. So it's really a nice hobby, I would say. Look at that, the few people who are not so expert, so they are getting trained by the partner, and everyone is actually enjoying. Few of them are very smooth. Look at these children, for example. This child is going with her mother, I think. The Joynext arena is very much rich in sports because there are also like ice skating and cricket and also some volleyball and handball. Every sport is being offered here, and the people enjoy their time. So that was a small information about this Joynex arena. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.